Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Kami's TV Bossed Up. So I'm actually about to pull into the thrift store in the Bronx. I don't know what I'm gonna find today. I'm not looking for anything in particular, but anyway, stay tuned and thrift with me. Oh my god, I literally just spent 10 minutes looking for a mask. Okay, so I just walked into the store and I'm gonna zoom in on some of the handbags and let's take a look. So I just asked to see this Coach bag, which is super nice. Super nice. Look at the details right here. It's leather, so nice, and the straps, so buckle. Yep, super nice. Okay guys, here are the shoes behind the counter. Can I see the red Nike ones? Yes, thank you. Oh, snap. Air Jordans. Oh, yeah. Now we have these Jordans. Air Jordans. What is this? Is this a unicorn? Yeah, this is a unicorn. Keychains. Oh, this is cute. So cute. Wow, this is very different, right? Yeah, I definitely want to get this elephant. Okay, this is a bird, guys, with a feather. Different, but I'm not gonna get it. It's a pin, but I'm not gonna get it. No. This is cute. Oh, Ronald Trump. I didn't even know Ronald Trump had a whole brand. This is cute, but oh my god, it's a little different. Totally different. Shoot, look at this, guys. Look at this little small, tiny Dunian bird. It's adorable. It's so cute. Non-West. Cute. Cute little hobo. What is this? This Coach. Say. Coffee, oh my god. Jackets. Jackets. New York is always a good idea. This is Forever 21. This is cute. This is super cute. Oh. Okay, I'm really not going to be looking through the jackets this time. Even though they're cute, I'm just not going to be doing it. Yeah. This hurts my... Okay, I belong to a thrifting group on Facebook, right? And recently I posted a pair of Uggs and I was telling people about the Uggs, and now some people wanted the Uggs, but it wasn't their size. So I'm in a section right now for shoes. So I'm just gonna see if they have any more Uggs. Probably won't have any more Uggs, but we're just gonna look anyways. I'm seeing an Uggs yet, but I see these babies. Ooh, ooh la la. These are fire hot. I bet they are definitely my size too. Yeah, so this lamp was actually with the towels. Like, I guess somebody was gonna buy the lamp and then they decided not to. But it's cute. I just don't know where to put it if I buy it. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so as I'm leaving the store, oh, I just forgot I had on this vintage necklace today. But as I'm leaving the store, I spot this huge bag. I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. So I don't think that my video can show you how big this handbag is. Like, oh my god, I can't even like hardly hold the bag up. It's just so freaking big. Okay guys, I'm not sure what this is, but it says Notorious Pig Biggie Smalls, the same Little Red Porget. Like, I don't know what this is, but I think it's something related to sports because I don't know. Anybody have any idea what this is? Because I don't know. Gosh, this candy dish is super nice. Oh my, and it's heavy. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's gotta be like really Swarovski crystals or something. Oh my god, what a beautiful necklace stand. Here's her hat, here's her dress. She's absolutely gorgeous. Should I get this? Let's see, full body. So that's gonna be it for this thrift haul. I did purchase a hammer. I found this hammer, and this paper towel holder that I'm gonna put inside of in my second bathroom, and some light bulbs. I mean, like, everybody needs some light bulbs, right? So guys, go ahead, like, subscribe, share this video. If you like this video, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, deuces.